up? DCS is right back again with another Hot Wheels. So this time it's a pony car, guys. It's the 2007 Ford Mustang. It's the muscle car. So yup, you know the drill. First the unboxing and then the information. But apart from that, guys, I'd raised a poll. You remember last week I made a poll about should I upload the Hot Wheels track set video. So I got the replies, guys. So yup, 80% of the people approved to it. They've told that yes, do it, it'll be different. So but the 20% told that it's not necessary. I respect them too. I'm gonna continue making all the information videos like this and also make the Hot Wheels track set videos. So don't worry, the 20% people, I'm still making the informations. So yep, guys, starting off with the Ford Mustang. Let's go. Hey guys, the Mustang's just out of the box. Oh my god, look at its rear tire. Like, the rear tire is almost enormous. Like, it's not even equal to the front tire, which is quite a disappointment for others, but for me, it's not a matter. Like, look at its tint, guys. The red tints make it more attractive. The interior, though, it's slightly glossy. It's awesome, guys. Like, this car's cool in interior stuff, but as you look at the rear, the half of the car is painted red, but the taillights are not. Not even the headlights like that. Like, look at it. Why did they do that? Well, it's the Hot Wheels thing, we can't help it. So yep, guys, why don't we go for the informations? So here it comes. Yeah, so coming up to the information about the 2007 Ford Mustang, why don't we go over the production? The production actually began in 2004 and it stopped at 2014, don't know why. Well, coming up to the body style, that the body style is a two-door coupe. Talking about the engine is a 4.6 liter V8 single overhead cams 24-valve rear wheel drive. Well, that V8 is some powerful thing out there. So yep, guys, coming up to the transmission. The transmission is a 5-speed manual. You get it in an optional 5-speed automatic also. It depends on you what you take. So yeah, guys, coming up to the length of this car. The length of this car is 4,765 in millimeters. Well, coming up to the width of this car is 1,879 in millimeters. Starting out with the weight. The curb weight of this car is 1,565 kilograms, which is almost close to the Porsche Panamera. Well, yep. Talking about the top speed. The best part, it's 149 miles per hour, which is okay, fine type. Well, coming up to the horsepower, guys, it's 300 horsepower, which is okay. Talking about the price, major people over here, the price of this car is $19,250 to $45,755. That's some serious money out there. So yep, guys, as I've ended up the information video, why don't we go for the special facts right here? So here it is. Well, it's quite a big one. Well, actually, you get the pony car package for the V6, which includes traction control and anti-lock braking systems. Wow. Anti-lock brakes for the Mustang's reasonable, but traction control must bear the Mustang to death. Like, actually, because Mustang always goes out of control. Can't say. So yep, guys, as I've ended the information and all the other stuff which I need to tell, you guys know what to do. Just hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and share it to all your friends and family. If you are new, guys, I'm not telling to the old people, so old people, just do me one favor, that's hit the like button. So yep, guys, I'll see you all next week with the Hot Wheels track set video. Till then, so long, bye bye.